Hello everyone, welcome back to the LeetCode plus DSS series. Today we are solving one of the most popular stack problem, valid parentheses. This problem looks simple at first, but it teaches us a super important concept stack. We first understand the logic step by step, then code the optimal solution in C++, and finally analyze the time and space complexity. So let's get started. First, let's understand the problem. We are given a string containing brackets like this, and we need to check whether the parentheses are valid or not. A string is considered valid if every opening bracket has closing bracket close in correct order, and every closing bracket match its correct type. For example, this is a valid parenthesis, and this is also a valid, but this is not a valid parenthesis. Now let's think about the logic. Whenever we saw an opening bracket, we need to remember it because a matching closing bracket should come later, and the most recent opening bracket should close first. This is exactly how a stack works, last in, first out. So if opening bracket comes, we push it into a stack, and if closing bracket comes, we check the top of the stack. If the bracket match, we remove it from the stack, and if doesn't match, then the string becomes invalid immediately. So first we create a stack. The data type of stack is character. Now travels a loop in the string S. If the character is opening bracket, we simply push it. So if ch equal to opening bracket or ch equal to square bracket or character is equal to opening bracket. Then we simply push into a stack. Else, otherwise it means we found a closing bracket. So before checking the top element, we must ensure that the stack is empty. Because if the stack is not empty, then st.top before check the top element, we must ensure that the stack is empty. Because if the stack is empty, we do st.top, our program crashed. So if st.empty, then we return false. Otherwise, check the condition. Now check whether the closing bracket match the top opening brackets or not. If the ch is equal to square square circular closing bracket, so the top element in the stack must be not equal to opening bracket. Must be opening bracket. If they're not, then we will return false. Similarly for the other two brackets. For the square closing brackets, if the top element is not square, then return false. And similarly for the curly bracket. If it doesn't match, the string is invalid immediately. So at last we pop the last element. If all the condition is matched, the last element of the stack removed. At the end, the stack must be empty because every opening brackets must have been matched. So at the end we return st.empty. It will return true if the stack is empty, otherwise false. We'll travel the string once so the time complexity become O of n. And in the worst case, all the brackets can go into the stack so that the space complexity become O of n. And that's it for valid parentheses. This is one of the most important beginner stack problem for interview and DSA purpose. The full LeetCode solution link is in the description box if you want to check it out yourself. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.